hope everybody is having a great day. In this lesson, we're going to show you guys the solution to the variable and strings challenge that I presented to you in the last lecture. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to welcome our user to the page with an alert box. So the easiest way to do this would be using the alert command and typing in a string such as hello or welcome to our website. You can use whatever you want here. We then need to ask our user for a name. So I'm going to create a variable and call it visitor name, and then I'm going to prompt the user and ask them, what is your name? Make sure I add my quotes here. Alright, so we got that captured. We are then going to prompt the user and ask them for their favorite color and save it in the variable called visitor's color, or favorite color here in this case. The next thing we need to do is we need to combine the user's name and favorite color together into a string that goes as follows. Okay, so this part we're going to have to combine our strings together, remember? And we're going to have to start it off by writing a document.write command because we got to output it to the page. What we're going to do is we're going to take the string that we required and we're going to enter it in here, and then instead of the spots for the user's name and the user's favorite color, we're going to put the variables that we created earlier that's going to store that information and then output it to the page. So here we're going to put the visitor's name. Then we're going to finish typing out our string here, and then we're going to insert the favorite color as well. Remember that when you make your strings that you add a space before your variable and after your variable so that everything's not too squished together. Okay, so our program is looking pretty good. We're almost done. Next up we need to do is we need to output a program complete message to the console. So we can simply do this by doing console.log and then typing something along the lines of program complete or anything like that would be acceptable in this manner. Okay, so we're going to save our program and hopefully everything runs pretty good. Let's check it out and see what happens. Okay, so we're welcomed. I'm going to enter my name here, and then I'm going to enter my favorite color in. We can see, oh, there we go. Hello, Robin, your favorite color is green. So that part's working pretty good. But we got to check the console.log, remember? And we can see that our program complete. So we can see that everything in the program ran successfully, and that's a challenge for you guys. So if you guys had trouble with that, that's fine. Just watch the video and then try to create it again on your own if possible. And for anybody who did complete the program, let me know. I want to hear how you guys did. If you guys passed it, that's awesome. Let us know if you have any issues. Write about it in the discussion settings of the video, and we can move on to the next section after that. But before we can, you guys need to do one quick little quiz on strings, and then we're going to talk about numbers and math.